Make a great choice today with the 2020 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.